This is your warning to never forget to lock your doors when you go to bed at night. Because the other day, I was laying down around 1 a.m. and I thought I heard a sound in the living room. But that didn't make any sense because no one else was home. So I was like, whatever, it's probably nothing. But then I hear another noise and it's even louder. So I'm like, okay, something's definitely out there. But I'm not Batman. I don't want to go out there if someone dangerous broke into my house. So I stay in bed and pull my blanket up to protect myself. But then a couple minutes later, I get a notification that something was moving in my backyard. So I look at the camera and you know what I see? A skunk just walking around. Apparently, I must have forgot to shut the doggy door in our backyard and the skunk went through it into our house looking for food. I'm glad I never left my room to see what was out there though, because I ain't beating a skunk in a fight. That thing would probably just fart on me and I'd cry.